Tack Media serves dozens of established businesses that are missing certain aspects of a digital team. With marketing team rising costs, retention, overhead, training, and high turnover being a major problem in the past 2 years, Tack Media has stepped up in amplifying resources or entirely replacing your marketing operation. That is our niche and specialty. We cover a broad range of services and have the infrastructure to execute your day-to-day marketing operations. One of the most active and current digital marketing agencies in Los Angeles that is considered a top choice in quality and trust. Tack is constantly contributing to press, media, and educating its clients on new changes in the space. Tack excels in branding, content creation, web design, social media marketing, lead generation, e-commerce, SEO, SEM, and technical execution. You need a plan. You need leadership. You need execution. At Tack Media, we consider ourselves a resource amplification firm, meaning we work with your existing internal team members and fill gaps in the departments that you do not have. We add the puzzle pieces that save your organization in overhead, training, and execution with a single mission: to succeed. We serve over 37 different industries. We strive to be the subject matter experts in each of them and make it a point to be ahead of the game by staying up to speed in each space. We like to stay competitive by being the trendsetters influencing the space on behalf of our clients. Our creative approach delivers results and helps your businesses grow revenue through ROI-driven digital marketing services that will make you happy. Tack Media provides a variety of traditional and digital marketing services based out of LA. We are a full-service agency offering everything from web design, print, marketing, and day-to-day support. Discover how Tack Media can help your business grow today.